Okay, welcome to Jim's Trains. Okay, this is the difference between DC power and DCC power on your rails. With a with a DCC sound engines. All right, this is on DC. Right now I have it on full 12 forward, but yet she don't want to move because she has to start up. Now I'm going to turn it back on the reverse and forward. Let's turn it down slowly. Okay, let's go reverse slowly. Because I went and did it slowly, has to do the startup again. Really quick. That's the way it works. You can see the light getting brighter and brighter because that means I'm putting more juice. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to put it on DCC power. Just be patient. Okay, now we're going to go on DCC. Now you notice the light come on, but I'm not going anywhere. Why? Because I have the DCC controller on park. Now let's go on forward and you'll see the backup light go off. And she'll move forward. And I put on brake. And it just sits there, still idling. You also got these other toys, like in the sounds. The bell. Horns. Other cool sounds. Mute, which is the shutdown, but you still got you can run it without the sound on DCC. Alright, thank you for watching Jim's videos on DCC sound from Backman.